Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. Let's dive into Bitcoin chart. So this is the monthly chart. As you can see, we have the monthly curved resistance for these past 11 years, support and resistance, and we have also the RSI and stochastic that shows us always the bottom. So what I'm talking about, you can notice these orange circles, and on the other side, whenever we reached this line at 43.77 in June or May 2015, and we had also the stochastics oversold, so below 20, it marked our bottom. Again in 2019, when we reached the RSI 43.77 and we had stochastic below 20, it was our bottom. Those two bear markets, bear bottoms, were also in confluence by being supported by this yellow line. This yellow line is the 200 weekly moving average. So what is happening right now? We can see that we are oversold on the stochastic. We are also in the vicinity of that value of 43.77 on the RSI, and to be exact, we are slightly below it, and we are slightly below, and we can see that it is just started, so July it is still open, but June we managed to close at exactly touching the trend line, the green trend line. On the bearish side, we closed for the first time below the 50 SMA. So what I'm expecting right now for July? So for July, I'm expecting, since we closed for the first time below the 50 SMA and we are currently trading slightly below this green trend line, let me remove this one and pull out the monthly. I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach the previous highs of 2019 and the close, the highest close, not the week, the highest close of 2017, which together formed this ascending triangle. So I'm waiting for a week to touch this level at 13,800 or 14k, maybe, to round it up, and maybe on the bullish note close above again this green trend line. So basically I'm waiting for a candle like the market crash of March 2020. You can see that we had a pretty severe week, but we managed to close above the green trend line. So here we have the fear and greed index. You can notice that we are, and we have been for several days, in extreme fear, below even 10, and the only two times we had this amount of cluster of days in extreme fear were about here in 2020, and you can notice what happened next, and also here in 2018, and you notice also what happens next. Also, you can argue that last year was also a big cluster of extreme fear, but you can notice that we only wicked down and went up to values of fear, so they are not in confluence with a big cluster of days in extreme fear. So basically this chart is telling us that we are due for some bullish price action. We are due to be bottom out. So all those values, all those indicators are screaming that we are in the vicinity of the bottom. Yes, for the first time we closed the monthly close below the 50 SMA, so that is and has some impact on the fear, but they are all screaming our cost average your position. On the daily, we have something in confluence with this theory. We have this descending broadening wedge, which theoretically is bullish, and its target is around here at 47k. I know it's right now 47k seems like dreaming, but the technical target is like that. So what we are expecting on the daily, you can see that on the RSI we do not have right now, we have a potentially bullish divergence. Of course, it is not confirmed yet. I'm saying it like that because my experience and the price action as it is going, it is showing me that we are currently maybe due to a double bottom, making a double bottom and bullish divergence right here, something like that, and pushing a little bit up. I'm not saying we're going up, I'm expecting again a rejection lower until we reach set level at 13.8k, and on the RSI that would mean something like this. Let me pull it out like this, moving up and again going down, but still maintaining a bullish divergence. Okay, so I'm expecting this bullish divergence here, and then at that point I think we could bottom out, which would be this level right here, and we prepare to go break this descending broadening wedge to reach eventually the 47k target. Of course, it's not gonna be easy, we're not gonna go straight up, most probably we're gonna get sideways section and eventually going back up. So that is what I'm looking for the month of July. For the month of July, I'm waiting for a wick here and pushing back up. Between July and August, I'm also waiting for this break of this descending broadening wedge. So that's it guys, a quick update on Bitcoin. See you on the next one.